You have books and books and books, journals and journals and journals with all these big ideas, this big vision. You in the prayer closet day after day, night after night, praying and asking God for a breakthrough from the job, a breakthrough from the relationship, a breakthrough from whatever situation you are in. And yet you remain stuck. Why? Because you lack the confidence to get out. You know you need to hit that restart button. You know you need to hit that reset button, but you're just stuck. You're lacking the confidence. Let's talk about it. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me here, my name is Yashika Turner, and on this channel, we talk about thriving in life rather than surviving. So if that sounds like a family, a tribe that you would want to be in, please go ahead and hit the subscription button right now. We welcome you to our community of thriving women. So you remain stuck. Why? You are lacking confidence. You don't have the courage to get out and do the thing. Why? Because you want to see the whole staircase. You want to see the whole plan. You want to see it all. But what? God is showing you the light. Just take the first step. Just have the courage to go out and start. Just the courage. Just that one step you need to take. You know, I find too many women lack confidence. Too many women lack courage. And you know what? The funniest thing? Most of them are women of faith. Women who stay in the prayer closet. Women who have a close relationship with God. He's leading them. He gives you all the green light to go. He gives you all the direction to go to start. He sends you the people. You ask, Lord, show me the sign, and God show you the sign over and over and over to start the business. The sign over and over and over to pick up, pack up, and relocate. The sign over and over and over that this relationship is not working out for you. The sign over and over and over to go and write the book. What is God telling you to do in your life right now that you are not being obedient to doing because you lack confidence? You are fearful. You are not sure. What is it? Drop it in the comments. Let me know. Now, I'm going to tell you how you can become more confident. And number one is knowing who you are and whose you are. Who are you? Look yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, who are you? The assignment that you have to carry. Why do you think that you are not the person to pick up this assignment and go forth with it? Why? Whose are you? Who gave you the assignment? Who gave you the idea? Why did you think he gave it to you? Knowing that you're not equipped. You are equipped to carry it out. You are equipped to write that book. You are equipped to start that business. You have everything within you. You just need a little bit more courage. You need to have faith. You know, I believe confidence and faith walks hand in hand. Why? Because confidence is taking the first step, going, even though you don't know what you're doing at times. And that's the same thing with faith, right? Faith is taking the step, even when you don't see it, but it's believing. So you have to ask yourself, who am I? Who are you? Look yourself in the mirror and talk to yourself. Who are you? Write it out on a paper. Who are you? Right? The next thing, number two, progress is better than perfection. Too many of us are too perfect. We're waiting on everything to be perfect, the perfect time, the perfect place, the perfect person. Nobody is perfect. If you're waiting for that man, you're not going to find the perfect man. You have to live with the things, the negative things. Find a partner who you can live with the imperfect things in life. You are two imperfect people joining together as one. So you won't find the perfect husband. No. Starting a business, you might think the business idea is a perfect idea. Then when you start the business, you realize that, no, this is not for me. If you don't try, how you're going to know that this person is not for you, this business is not for you, this idea is not the right idea? You have to try, and you have to know that progress is better than waiting on perfection. So if you're waiting for all the dots, the I's, the dots, and the T to cross to have that business started, to launch that business, you better start promoting and marketing yourself right now, because you know what? Starting a business, people have to know you, they have to like you, they have to trust you. So start showing up. Start creating the brand from even having the business, right? So progress is better than perfection. Am I making any sense? Let me know in the comments by saying making sense. Number 3, write your affirmations or write your Bible verses to take you through, to help to boost that confidence and to give you that courage. If you're a woman of faith, then my favorite Bible scripture is, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. You can borrow mine, use it if you may, or find another one. Other thing, you can write, I can do this. I have everything within me to succeed. I lack nothing. Those are some confidence building Bible scriptures that I use. Again, as I said, you can create your own. You put them on little sticky notes, and you put them up in your bathroom. You write them in your journal. You put it as a screensaver on your phone. Whatever it is to give you that courage, write it out to motivate you and to boost your courage to step forth into whatever it is that you want to step in. Number 4, did you know that how you carry yourself can boost your confidence or take away, add or subtract from your confidence? So if you're a woman, dress yourself well, put yourself together, put on a little lipstick or a little lip gloss, comb your hair, look like that woman who you envision yourself to be in the next level. I recently did a video on designing your life, leveling up. If you haven't yet seen that video yet, go ahead and watch it after watching this one. And dress yourself, put yourself together, adorn yourself, speak to yourself with confidence, because how you treat yourself is the same way people are going to treat you. How you dress, society, believe it or not, how you dress and present yourself, that's the way people treat you, right? So put yourself together, dress like there is nobody else, right? You see, I'm coming on YouTube, and what boosts my confidence is putting myself together, speaking, looking into the camera, looking at you, not putting my head down, not talking shy, not looking away. Dress, look in the camera, presenting myself well. When you go out and you meet people, stop, look them in the eye, give them a firm handshake, believe in yourself. For example, if you're going for a job interview, dress yourself, put yourself together, look them in the eyes, don't look away, avoid eye contact, looking shy, biting your nails. You go to the interview unpresentable. That's how they're going to treat you. They're going to say, is this person for this job or what? Even when they don't know what you're saying, answer the question boldly, in confidence, right? Make up a story, say something, sit up, tall up, shoulders up, and you look them in the eyes. That's how you become confident. You practice what you preach. embody yourself, envision yourself into that confident woman that you want to become. You know, my daughter is teenager, 15 going on to 16, and I keep telling her that the things you're doing now is the results of the woman you want to become. So if you want to be that confident woman, you start to have to be her from now at the age of 16. Start practicing to be that woman. I asked her, what kind of person do you want to be? What kind of woman do you want to be when you grow up? Start acting like her from now. So that's the same thing I would advise for you. Where do you see yourself? What kind of person do you see yourself being? Who is her? What's the next version of her? Start being her, dressing like her, walking like her, talking like her, and practicing those habits. They become a lifestyle. Number 5, celebrate your wins. A lot of times women, we achieve so much in life, and at times we complain, oh, I feel so stuck. Oh, I haven't achieved this. I don't know where I'm at in life. I don't know this and I don't know that. Listen, if you should take out a pen and a paper right now and you write down all the things that you have achieved in the last 5 years. Have you celebrated any of those accomplishments within the last 5 years? Even one of them? Have you paused to reflect and to just, celebrate yourself to say, man, I did this. I went back to school and I completed my BSN, my master's, whatever it is. I got a new job. I started a business. I found this guy. I'm now in a relationship. I'm getting married. What is it? What are the things that you have achieved? Whether they're big or small, celebrate yourself in the moment. This will boost your confidence, motivate you, and encourage you to go on to achieve that next level in confidence, right? Are you liking this? Hit the like button. Let me know that you're liking it. The next thing is to change your circle. Yes, that your circle have a big influence on your confidence. If you're hanging around people who lack confidence, of course you're going to lack confidence too, right? If you're hanging around chickens, of course you're going to be like chickens, right? If you want to fly, you need to start hanging around with some eagles who will show you how to fly, show you the way, boost your confidence, right? So if you know that you are an eagle and you're hanging around chickens, you won't fly. You are created to fly. You're an eagle. You have to go after the things, be the leader, be the head and not the tail, be the lender and not the borrower. You have to speak those words. You have to find those people who will motivate you, give you the courage to stretch you and to pull you so that you can step out and do the things that you want to do in faith, bold and courageous, right? And lastly, doing things in life, there will be trials, there will be errors, but that's not to say that that's going to clip your wing and clip your confidence and you'll be afraid to go after your next level in life, your next goal in life, your next accomplishment in life. This is life, right? And there is nothing in life that's good that goes in a straight direction. I was listening to a sermon the other day. As you know, I'm a Jesus girl, a church girl, if you haven't known by now. And the pastor said, in life, if you want to succeed in life, anything good in life, it goes in narrows, in curves, in valleys, and around. There's never a straight line if you are going after success, if you're going after anything good in life. So with that said, there will be valleys and there will be mountains in life. If you fail, do not allow that to clip your confidence, clip your wings. Get up, dust yourself off, and try again. Keep going and keep celebrating yourself to boost your confidence. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you haven't yet seen my last video on how to make 2024 your best year ever, go ahead and check it out. I'll leave it right here and I'll see. Have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? Please go ahead and hit the subscription button. Welcome to the family of thriving women. See you in my next video. Bye for now.